But if we head over to Florida, you can see how rapidly things change. And here's what's going to happen. There's going to be a surface high in this vicinity pushed farther west. So dry air for us will actually get drier, and temperatures will get a little bit cooler as a result. See, the drier the air, the more likely you see temperatures drop overnight with good clear skies, because the high keeps the skies clear and then radiational cooling keeps the temperatures cool. So not much of a change in the upper levels, though. We're going to continue to see a west to east upper level flow. All right, Hurricane Ian, the newest advisory, has winds of 140 miles per hour. The storm completely inland north of Fort Myers, marching north, and it's this huge push of water that we're most concerned with. It's called storm surge. Let's bring in meteorologist Ryan Shoptaw on what this means. Ryan?
Yeah, it's the most dangerous part of any hurricane or tropical storm. It is the influence, the driving of water about the counterclockwise flow around a hurricane. And what that does, it pushes in water from the coast, which is a big factor in flooding near Fort Myers and near Cape Coral on the western side of the Florida Peninsula. Take a look. This is what storm surge does. The winds come from the offshore. It pushes water inland. And some of these forecast storm surge amounts are upwards of 18 to 20 feet. And that can be over some properties, over some trees in western Florida. Take a look at the winds right now, 96 miles per hour in Fort Myers. Some of the buoys offshore, 80 to 85, 60 miles per hour in Tampa, and 40 to 50 to 60 miles per hour for offshore locations, and also near Marco Island. But again, that pushes water inland. The inundation, the heavy rain on top of that. Fort Myers forecasting for 12 to 18 feet of storm surge between now and tonight, because as it moves farther north, it's still going to continue to have a grip and push water inland along I-75 from Tampa to Fort Myers, all the way down to Fort Marco Island, and also down to Miami and the Florida Keys. In addition to that, heavy rainfall. Look at this. Forecast rain amounts are upwards of about 2 feet in some of these isolated areas, the swath of rain between Fort Myers, Daytona Beach, and even upwards into Jacksonville, Florida. Now back here at home, Bill, I mean, it's quiet. We're on the drier side of this storm, and it looks like things are going to stay that way in the extended forecast.